Hey everyone. Uh, in this video, I'll show you how to deal with a TurboTax refund delay and what you can do to fix it or at least speed things up. Yeah, waiting for your refund can be really frustrating, especially when it's taking longer than expected, but most of the time there's a clear reason behind it. So first, check your refund status using the IRS Where's My Refund tool. This gives you real-time updates and helps you understand if your return is still being processed, approved, or sent. Next, make sure your tax return was accepted. Yeah, accepted doesn't always mean approved, so if it's still under review, you might just need to wait a bit longer. After that, review your tax return for any errors. Even small mistakes like incorrect details or missing information can delay your refund because the IRS may need extra time to verify everything. Now, if you claimed certain credits like earned income or child tax credits, your refund could be delayed automatically. These returns are often reviewed more carefully, which takes extra time. And yeah, also check your bank details if you chose direct deposit. A small mistake in your account or routing number can slow things down or even cause the deposit to fail. Another thing to keep in mind is IRS processing delays during busy seasons. Sometimes the system just gets overloaded and refunds take longer than usual. So yeah, those are the most common reasons and fixes for a TurboTax refund delay. In most cases, it's just a matter of checking your details and waiting a little longer. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.